What's going on, guys? Today I got one goal for this video, and I gotta get the tailgate done. I got a latch for it. I want to reuse the stock Samurai hinges. If you've ever worked with the hardware on a Samurai, you know that those can be really hard to get off. So I'm gonna show you my easy way to just not even mess around, just get these things off and get this tailgate built. So essentially what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grind this paint off, put a nut on here and weld it on, take it off. Simple as that. So that's that. Weld the nut on there. Take it off. Done. So the plan is to use the existing hinges and go through the 1-inch tube that's right behind here for support. Top and bottom, obviously. And then for a latch, I have this insanely overkill latch that I got on Amazon for 10 bucks. I'll link it in the description for you guys if you're interested. It's rated for 2,000 pounds. So I think it should hold the tailgate shut just fine. So I got the top hinge, both of them drilled. The bottom one, I'm not 100% sure about alignment, so I only drilled one so I could pivot, make sure it works. You know, it swings with this one. And what I like is, this is going to be pretty strong through the sheet metal, through the 095 wall, 1-inch tube. So it's pretty stout. Seeing this just gave me an even better idea for this tailgate. Mark 2 of the holes on the tailgate. On the upper side, I'm going to drill those and then mock it up and see how it swings. So, I got all the hardware in and it swings nicely. Everything seems good. I'm going to put some 1-inch tube all along on the inside for some support. And I was thinking it'd be really cool for a tire carrier if I kind of make it like the factory one. I think with the way this is built, it can take the weight a lot better than the factory tailgate. And so I kind of had this idea, if I put my weight on here, and it doesn't flex, so I'm thinking if it can hold me, it can hold a 35 just fine. Let's do the latch, let's do the tube bracing, and let's do the tire carrier. So as you guys can see, got the hardware in for the hinges, and I got the latch in. Still got the reinforcement to do, and still got the tire carrier. A little bit of trimming to do, but so far, functional tailgate, so pretty stoked. So I had these pieces of 1-inch tube already pre-cut for the frame of the tailgate on the inside, and my plan is vertical pieces and the bolts can go through there. Some of them. On this side too, the bolts can go through the latch part. Just a little extra beef. As you guys can see, I got the tailgate back on. I drilled the holes through. I haven't placed the 2 inner vertical supports yet because I'm gonna be crazy and I'm gonna put a spare tire on here. And so what I'm thinking is, I got some 2-inch 120 wall square tubing, and I think I'm gonna do something like this. It can definitely handle the weight, so that's kind of cool. A lot of people put, you know, even a 31 or up to a 33-inch tire on the stock tailgate, and it just rips and crumbles. So I wanted to kind of keep it in the vein of still being a Samurai, but this tailgate's beefed up. I think the hinges can handle it, and if I'm super worried about the hinges, I'll put a 3rd one on. I'm gonna just tack this up and see what it looks like with the tire on there. Swing it up, you know, swing it out and see what it's like. Let's just tack it on and see what it does. got to put in cut some more 2-inch for spacers on each side, so I can level this thing out. But because it's not going to sit at this angle, it's going to be straight up and down. So I still have some fine tuning to do to the latch area, and I got to add the other vertical supports in the back right here. But as you guys can see, it's functional. Just a little bit of tuning and we'll be good. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to go down there and hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on the progress on the long wheelbase, the plans for the tin top, and the giveaways that I'm planning. So let me know what you guys think about the tire carrier here. I know it's kind of a little ballsy to put it on the tailgate, but I'm really trying to keep it as much Samurai as possible. And this can definitely hold up to it. And like I said before, if for some reason the hinges are, you know, having a hard time with the weight, I can put a third hinge on. But I think it should be good. I just gotta get that latch dialed in. See you guys in the next video.